Hi guys, welcome to Kusina ni Myong. So today, I'm gonna make burger with a twist. So I'm gonna make a Japanese style burger but with no bun, but with rice. So I'm gonna prepare some packed lunch for us. So here are the ingredients. For burger patties, we have 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork fat, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium white onion, and for our sauce, I have 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup, 1/2 cup of tonkatsu sauce, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, and for side dish, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 handful of green beans, and salt and pepper to taste for everything. So let's begin. So first step, we're gonna caramelize this onion first in a frying pan. So let's heat up the pan. And when it's already hot, we're gonna add cooking oil, just a little bit. And just wait. Now the oil is already hot. We're gonna saute the onions and caramelize it in a medium heat. Then if you see it's already like brown color, it's ready. Now it's already caramelized and it is ready. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and transfer. So now we're gonna start making the burger patties. So I'm gonna add the pork fat here in the ground beef. Then we're gonna add the panko breadcrumbs. Then we're gonna add the caramelized onion. Then after that, we're gonna season with salt and pepper. Let me wash the hand first. And black pepper. Now we're gonna mix this by hand, but I have to wear gloves first. let this for a while. Then we're gonna start cooking the sauce. So come on, join me. Now I already heat up the pot. Then we're gonna add the water. Then the tonkatsu sauce. Then the hot sauce. Then we're gonna mix it up. So we're gonna wait to let it boil. Then we're gonna season with the salt and pepper. So now it's boiling. So we're gonna season it with the salt and pepper. And we're gonna stir it. Just boil a little bit and we're done with the sauce. So now we're done with the sauce and we're gonna set aside this. Let's turn up the heat. Then next we're gonna saute the green beans for our side dish. So first we're gonna heat up the pan. Then let's wait a little bit. So it's already hot. We're gonna add the butter. Then when it's already melted, we're gonna add the green beans and we're gonna saute it. So now it's already melted. So let's add the green beans. Then we're gonna season with salt and pepper. We're gonna saute this for very quick, so I don't want to get like getting mushy or very soft. Very like it. I like it crunchy. So now we're done with the green beans. Then turn up the heat. And then we're gonna put this. So we don't need to wash the frying pan. So we're gonna add cooking oil. And let's start pan fry the burger patties. Start frying the patty. So let's check. It's already fried. Yeah, we're gonna turn it over. Oh, nice. The patties are ready cooked. Take this out. So let's remove this. I don't want to get this. for the next batch. Now we're gonna flip it and we're gonna cook the other side, okay? There we go. Now we're gonna check if it's already cooked. Yeah, it's done. And now I put some rice here, and we're gonna add the green beans. Then we're gonna add our burger patties. We're gonna put 2. Then and here is my own Japanese burger pack lunch. Come on, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. And please see the recipe under my description. So goodbye. And by the way, don't forget the bell. Just ring it.